how should we sit when we're driving in a car? Now, those seats are the worst. I have yet to find any car seat that is comfortable or safe for our backs. So normally when I say, what do you do about sitting? I just say, don't sit, stand or lay on your belly, preferably for as much of the day as you possibly can. But when we have to sit, like in the car or on an airplane, there's still some things we can do to keep ourselves safe. Now forget about all of those inserts that you can put into a car seat, lumbar support and all these fancy things. They don't work and they don't require you to engage anything. Therefore you get really lazy and you don't know how to handle your own body structurally. And we don't actually get to grow in any way. So I say, let's use the tools that we already have and the knowledge we have to be safe and strong. So, in a car, first off, the key is that it's built in a way to make us hunch in the shoulders, it rounds our shoulders, especially a kind of racing seat. And then the tailbone rolls under like this. This is pretty much how we're seated. Take hold of that wheel, pull forward, let it pull the chest forward, squeeze the shoulder blades together a little, and we might come away from the back of the seat. Also think about this tilt. This is a posterior tilt, and we don't want it. We want it rock forward. Imagine you're trying to that you actually have a tail coming out of your tailbone, and we want to push it up and back into the seat back. So we can use this wheel to our benefit and continue to pull this forward and push down into the sits bones to get a little bit longer. And we do have to engage. Now, this isn't for the lazy. Navel and below, we want to draw back gently towards the spine, and this helps support everything. Helps keep us taller, and ultimately, we'll end up strengthening our core if we continue to find this position all day long. So give it a try. Let me know if it works. If you like this, give us a like and subscribe. There's lots of fun videos here and lots of ways to learn about how to maximize your life and your body. Namaste.